78 Luninborg Street. There's doggy bags and the little public, I'm sorry, it's open to the community walking area and benches over there. We have desert landscaping already in place in the front, and we do not have a wood frame here, which is good because it's one less thing to maintain. We do have some rose bushes along the front. There's no power in the house, and it's a stormy day, so it's very dark inside. I'll do my best to describe the condition. This, I'm not sure if this gate needs to be repaired. This side of the house that I'm on is the northish side. So this balcony, this overhead patio cover doesn't do a ton, but it's nice to have it. I would say repaint, just based off of things like this that I see some places. Carpet looks to be in good condition for what I've seen so far. Some of the blinds are broken over here. Not sure how many of them would need to be replaced. It was just that one so far that was broken from what I've seen. So this flooring looks fine. Some stains on the wall over here, so possibly repaint. We have a bent blind there. They're pretty dirty, so that's a Jenny call on whether they should be replaced or just cleaned. Again, there's no power. I have space saver microwave installed already. Okay, let's head upstairs. No light kit on this fan. Carpet's a bluish gray. You can definitely see that there was a bed here in this square versus in the grayish areas over here. That's a Jenny call on whether it can be cleaned or needs to be replaced. There's some pretty significant wear here. Sorry, no lights. Tile. I don't see any issues with the installation, just from what I can tell. Carpet looks fine in there. Need a shower rod in here. The paint and the carpet look fine in this room. Overall, there are a couple of spots where the paint doesn't look so good, but if you're going to be painting most of the house, of course it just makes sense to repaint the whole house if that's what Jenny decides. This room looks pretty good too. See a stain in the carpet here? It might come up, it might not matter. Okay, that's the house.